Welcome everyone to today's video, where in this video I will be reviewing the car, the myth, the legend, Aiken Axler. So, Aiken Axler, whose real name is Alan, is a former professional race car and musician. Bet you didn't know that. He competed in the Piston Cup racing series for several years, driving at number 28 for the Nitroade team. Axler holds multiple top 10 finishes, and according to Meta, he's also a champion. In his debut season in 2003, he was awarded the Vitaline Rookie of the Year title. And here are a couple of fun facts about him. Aiken is the only background Piston Cup racer in cars to have a unique car model and manufacturer. I think it's a Lux motor, something or other. And a replica of Aiken was displayed at the 2014 Richard Petty Driving Experience Meet, or exhibit I should say, where fans could meet the car and even ride along inside him or a gasket racer, say Vanderspin. And compared to his typical appearance, obviously the Richard Petty thing, his livery reversed, sporting a primarily reddish colour. So that's enough talking. Let's do some looking. So he sports a nice, lovely black livery, and number 28, of course. He's actually the first one of his model to be released, all the way back in 2006. There's the same thing with Weekless racer Claus Groggs and RPM racer Winter Rutherford, since they are all the first one of their models to be released. You know? So he has got, obviously got the classic white year tyres, as all the Piston Cup racers do. Grey rims, some nice flames. Oh, that's a little yellow, no, white, like Walter White, a little white bit going around the middle. Give it a nice contrast to colours, you know. Black, white, and orange. And well, he's got a little, and contingency sponsors. They're saying every Piston Cup racer besides the big three, of course. There's a gas cap, which is very nice. And well, look at the back. For some reason, his spoiler is red instead of the orange. Not sure why. It's probably Mattel's fault. I'll try and send them an email. Oh, this one's 2021, so a couple of years old. Its top is obviously your black 28, and I'd get to go, and flames with this time thinner white outline. Then his bonnet is Nitroade logo, slightly slanted. High energy drink. There we go, got mustache or grill stash, I don't know. And it's got a nice, angry, determined expression, you know. And blue eyes, and no, of course they ain't got the raised eyelids. This is I think the raised eyelids, they were 2015 or before. Yeah, pretty sure it is. Is it? I don't know. I'll say that in another video.